Welcome back to Gate Gain, the place where we break down the most profitable online strategies so you can scale your digital income effectively. Today, we are diving deep into high-ticket affiliate marketing, specifically focusing on promoting premium corporate software, enterprise tools, and high-end services. Most beginners get stuck promoting cheap, consumer goods that pay tiny commissions of just a few dollars per sale. By shifting your focus to enterprise software, a single conversion can net you hundreds or even thousands of dollars in a single transaction. We will explore how this business model works, why big companies willingly pay these massive commissions, and how you can position yourself to capture a piece of this lucrative market. The traditional affiliate marketing model usually revolves around low-cost consumer items like clothing, books, or small gadgets found on massive retail websites. While it is easier to convince someone to buy a $20 item, you need thousands of sales every single month just to make a decent living. High-ticket marketing flips this dynamic entirely on its head by targeting expensive solutions that corporations absolutely need to run their daily operations. Instead of chasing high volumes of low-value customers, you focus your energy on finding a handful of qualified business buyers. This approach allows you to build a sustainable and highly profitable business with a fraction of the traffic required by traditional retail affiliates. To truly understand this model, you must recognize that premium corporate software and enterprise tools solve massive, expensive problems for organizations. These are not impulse purchases made by casual shoppers browsing the internet late at night out of pure boredom. We are talking about customer relationship management systems, enterprise cloud data storage, advanced cybersecurity networks, and high-end business consulting services. Companies are willing to spend thousands of dollars a month on these tools. Because the software helps them increase their efficiency, secure their data, or generate more revenue. When you connect a business with a tool that solves a $1 million problem, the company gladly compensates you with a substantial reward. The math behind enterprise affiliate marketing is incredibly compelling and illustrates why so many top digital marketers are making the switch. Imagine promoting a high-end data analytics platform that costs a corporation $5,000 every single month for their team subscription. Many software companies offer recurring commissions ranging from 20 to 40% of that total monthly cost to incentivize their partners. This means a single referral could pocket you $1,000 every single month for as long as that business remains a customer. You only need 10 or 15 of these corporate clients to build a massive 5-figure monthly recurring revenue stream. You might wonder why multi-million-dollar software corporations even need independent affiliates to help them sell their high-end products. The reality is that the cost of acquiring a new corporate client through traditional advertising channels like television is extraordinarily high. These corporations realize that trusted recommendations from industry experts and content creators are far more effective than cold advertisements. By paying you a percentage of the sale, the company only incurs a marketing expense after a paying customer is secured. This performance-based arrangement creates a mutually beneficial ecosystem where the software company grows rapidly and you get rewarded generously. Before you can begin earning these substantial payouts, you must select the right niche within the premium business-to-business ecosystem. Profitable sectors include financial technology software, enterprise-level project management tools, automated marketing suites, and cloud computing platforms. Look for industries experiencing rapid growth where companies are actively investing money to stay competitive. It is also wise to choose a niche that you either understand well or are willing to research deeply over time. Your success will depend heavily on your ability to speak the language of corporate decision-makers who value expertise. Once you have identified your niche, the next crucial step is finding and applying to the right high-end partner programs. Unlike standard networks, premium software companies usually have a strict vetting process for applicants. They want to ensure that their partners will represent their corporate brand with the utmost professionalism and ethical standards. You will often need an established website, a professional email address, and a clear marketing plan. Do not let this vetting process intimidate you, because the higher barrier to entry means you will face far less competition. Building a professional digital presence is absolutely mandatory if you want corporate managers to trust your recommendations. A cheap-looking blog or a chaotic social media page will instantly turn away high-value clients who are looking for serious solutions. You need to create a clean, modern, and authoritative website that positions you as a knowledgeable consultant. Your branding should reflect reliability and deep industry knowledge so visitors feel confident clicking your links. Investing time and effort into your online presentation sets the foundation for everything else you will accomplish. You might wonder why multi-million-dollar software corporations even need independent affiliates to help them sell their high-end products. The reality is that the cost of acquiring a new corporate client through traditional advertising channels like television is extraordinarily high. Corporations realize that trusted recommendations from industry experts and content creators are far more effective than cold advertisements. By paying you a percentage, the company only incurs a marketing expense after a paying customer is secured, creating a mutually beneficial ecosystem. Before you begin earning substantial payouts, you must select the right niche within the premium business-to-business ecosystem. Profitable sectors include financial technology software, enterprise-level project management tools, automated marketing suites, and cloud computing platforms. Success will depend heavily on your ability to speak the language of corporate decision-makers who value deep expertise. Unlike standard retail networks, premium software companies usually have a strict vetting process for applicants to ensure professionalism. Building a professional digital presence is mandatory if you want corporate managers and business owners to trust your recommendations. Casual product reviews will not work. You must produce comprehensive case studies and detailed implementation guides that show real business value. Search engine optimization is the most reliable way to attract high-value business buyers to your content without spending money on ads. Professional social networks like LinkedIn offer an absolute goldmine for finding enterprise-level clients and building relationships with managers. Corporate sales cycles are longer. Capturing their email through a free white paper helps you stay in touch until they are ready to buy. Positioning yourself as a trusted authority rather than a desperate salesperson is the psychological secret to winning in this premium space. Being transparent about your financial partnerships does not hurt sales. It often increases trust with corporate buyers who appreciate honesty. Constant optimization based on hard data will allow you to steadily grow your income month after month. Specialization makes your recommendation carry far more weight. Master one or two top-tier tools instead of promoting everything at once. Corporate sales take longer, but when a single enterprise sale lands, it can equal the profit of hundreds of small retail sales. Hosting educational webinars where you demonstrate the software live builds an incredible amount of trust and leads to high conversion rates. Treat these programs as business partnerships. Negotiate higher commission rates once you are bringing in regular sales. The future of premium corporate software marketing looks bright as businesses continue to digitize their operations worldwide. Success requires professional presentation, helpful content, and patience. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Gain and leave your questions below.